Well, this is my first YouTube video. I am going to start by building a calf racer. This was my dad's GS500 and I'm going to start seeing if we can get it running. He passed away last year. Well, it was actually in July. So we dragged this out of his shed. It hasn't run in a while. And you're along for the ride. So here we go. This is what we dragged. So that's as far as I think we're going to go with stripping them down. I don't want to start taking the two halves apart and not be able to get back together with the throttle cable and throttle situation. I don't want to really mess that up, and I don't really know what I'm doing that far in. I'm just going to clean them as they are, and then hopefully, well, as you can see, they're not too bad inside. They're just not great. So I think just to clean down and then make the outsides look pretty, that should be enough. And then it's just back to putting them back together, and we'll go from there. Right, back at it. Side, I'll replace one little O-ring, but that wasn't like anything in particular. Let's see if we can get this bike running, shall we? Oh, something there. We've got something. Oh, here we got a light. We've got a horn. I'm definitely excited now, guys.